How to add text and titles to videos in Veed. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click on the Create button and select New Project from the drop-down. Upload your video by clicking Upload File or by dragging and dropping it into the editor. Once your video appears on the timeline, you are ready to add text. To add a title or text, click on the text option in the left-hand menu. You can choose from pre-made title templates or create your own custom text. Simply type your text, then drag it to position it anywhere on the screen. You can also adjust the font style, size, color, and alignment to match your video's style. It also allows you to animate your text, add shadows or outlines, and set the duration for how long the text appears on the video. To add multiple text elements, just repeat the process and position them at different points on your timeline. Now you know how to add text and titles to videos in Veed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.